All right, if you want your Android phone to show the clock while it's charging, it can be done, but the behavior varies a lot depending on your phone. Some phones do this by default, others require changing a hidden setting, and some don't support it at all depending on the manufacturer's software choices. But usually, if you don't already have it set up, the best way is to go to Settings, then Display. In the display settings, you'll find Screensaver. Toggle that on, and then choose when the screensaver should show. On this phone, for example, I can restrict it to show while charging, or specifically only while charging and having the phone pointed upward, or when using wireless charging. So you can kind of narrow down the scenario when you want the screensaver to start. As for the screensaver itself, you can run photos, colors, or a clock, which is customizable too. There's a digital and analog. The analog is pretty ugly on this Pixel phone, but I'm going to roll with that anyway. And there's even a night mode setting, which is going to dim down the display to make it comfortable to look at in a dark room. Now, when my phone's plugged in, it'll show that clock, and there's the ugly analog version I mentioned. It moves slightly on screen, since this is technically a screensaver after all. One more thing worth knowing, if your phone has an always-on display, that can often override the screensaver behavior entirely. If I go to Display and Touch on this phone, I have a setting here for always-on display. With always-on display enabled, I actually don't even need the charger to see the clock. It'll display right on the lock screen whenever I turn off the display normally. This depends on your phone model and display type though, and even among phones that do have always-on display, different brands handle it differently. Some might turn off the display after a few seconds, but a lot of times you can configure the screen behavior through your settings. And a lot of budget phones, of course, don't have always-on displays at all, so in that case, you'd be stuck with the screensaver option, or the default charging screen if your phone has the clock on that. And of course, if the built-in screensaver doesn't quite work for you, there are third-party apps you can download for this too. Something like Standby Mode from the Play Store does something similar. Anyways, that is how you show the clock while charging on your Android phone. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all!